The Leonardo BrightStorm is an advanced counter-drone and electronic warfare system designed to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones and aerial threats in real time. Using a combination of radar, sensors, and electronic jamming technologies, BrightStorm can disrupt enemy UAVs, forcing them to land or lose control without causing collateral damage. Compact, mobile, and highly responsive, it provides militaries and security forces with a powerful shield against the growing threat of drones in modern warfare. With its ability to protect critical assets, infrastructure, and troops, the Leonardo BrightStorm represents the next generation of defensive technology. The Spear Ninox is a cutting-edge loitering munition designed for precision strikes in modern battlefields. Combining the speed of a drone with the accuracy of a missile, Ninox can be launched from various platforms to seek and destroy high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. Equipped with advanced guidance systems and real-time targeting, it can adapt mid-flight to changing conditions, making it highly effective against both stationary and moving threats. Lightweight, agile, and highly versatile, the Spear Ninox allows forces to engage enemy assets quickly and safely, keeping operators out of harm's way. In modern warfare, it's not just a weapon. The Frontier Wide Area Persistent Surveillance System is a cutting-edge technology built to watch everything, everywhere, all the time. With its powerful sensors and AI-driven analytics, it can track vehicles, ships, aircraft, and even individuals across huge regions, providing a live, uninterrupted picture of what's happening on the ground, at sea, or in the air. Unlike traditional surveillance that only gives snapshots, Frontier delivers constant monitoring, exposing hidden patterns and predicting movements before they happen. From military missions to border protection and critical infrastructure security, this system gives unmatched situational awareness. The Shadow S3 is a stealthy, long-endurance tactical that redefines battlefield awareness. A silent hunter in the sky, it carries high-power EO and IR sensors, secure data links, and AI-assisted target recognition. Able to loiter for hours and slip into contested, GPS-denied airspace, the Shadow S3 feeds crystal-clear real-time imagery and fused sensor data to commanders. It can be red-assed mid-flight and operate in cooperative swarms. Hardened against jamming and built for rapid mission changes, it turns scattered sightings into a single actionable picture, giving forces faster decisions, surgical accuracy, and the covert reach to control the fight from above. The Whiskey Bravo is a cutting-edge watercraft built for speed, stealth, and sea control. A versatile platform that blends high-speed interception with low observable design and modular mission modules. It can be configured for rapid response, special operations insertion, anti-smuggling patrols, or unmanned surveillance. Whiskey Bravo delivers exceptional maneuverability, long-range endurance, and advanced sensors that keep crews informed and safe. Tough, agile, and mission-flexible, it can punch into contested littorals, vanish into the horizon, or carry autonomous systems to extend its reach. Turkey's first indigenous armed robot, Nin Robotu, is a dramatic leap into the future of ground combat. A rugged armored machine that keeps soldiers out of harm's way while carrying out the toughest missions, its modular chassis accepts cameras, sensors, and multiple weapon payloads. This allows Nin Robotu to switch roles instantly, from patrol and reconnaissance to target tracking and point defense. Operated remotely or in semi-autonomous mode and built for day and night operations, it brings precision, speed, and endurance to border security and critical site protection. Compact, lethal, and mission-flexible, Nin Robotu isn't just a robot. The Rogue One lethal unmanned aerial system is a game-changing weapon of the modern battlefield. A sleek, stealthy drone designed to find, track, and eliminate high-value targets while keeping operators out of harm's way. It leverages advanced AI-assisted sensors, low observable design, and long-endurance loitering capabilities. Rogue One can penetrate contested airspace, identify threats with precision, and deliver guided strikes instantly. Hardened against electronic warfare and equipped with secure data links, it turns real-time intelligence into decisive action. Fast, silent, and ruthlessly efficient, Rogue One gives commanders unparalleled standoff strike capabilities, preparing the A400M of tomorrow, Europe's most advanced tactical airlifter. This aircraft is not just built for today's missions, but engineered for the challenges of the decades ahead. With the power to carry heavier loads, the flexibility to switch between missions in hours, and the agility to land on shorter, unprepared strips, the A400M is redefining what it means to be mission-ready. From rapid troop deployment to humanitarian aid, from strategic resupply to urgent medical evacuation, it delivers where others cannot. Equipped with advanced avionics, a digital cockpit, and future-focused upgrades, it offers greater safety. Ghost X is the next generation of adaptability and power, built for a fast-changing world. It is engineered to be stronger, smarter, and more versatile than anything before it. At its core lies a modular system that transforms instantly to meet any mission: defense, humanitarian relief, advanced mobility, or future technologies. One platform, endless possibilities with rapid upgrades, seamless reconfiguration, and mission-specific performance. Ghost X evolves as challenges evolve, never standing still, always ready. The Airbus VSR-700 is a ship-launched unmanned helicopter built to extend a Navy's reach beneath the waves, and its anti-submarine warfare role could be a game-changer. Compact enough to operate from frigates, the VSR-700 can carry maritime radars, electro-optical sensors, sonobuoys, and ASW payloads to hunt, localize, and monitor submarines while keeping sailors out of harm's way. Flying longer and cheaper than manned helicopters, it scouts wide areas, drops sonar, relays acoustic data to ships, and teams with manned aircraft to prosecute contacts, turning dispersed sensors into a coherent underwater picture. Quiet, persistent, and designed for rough seas. The Rook Multi-Mission Autonomous Robotic System is a revolutionary unmanned ground vehicle designed to handle the most dangerous missions while keeping soldiers safe. Fully modular and AI-driven, Rook can switch roles in seconds, from reconnaissance and logistics to medical evacuation or even combat support. It can carry supplies, transport the wounded, or provide armed overwatch, all with minimal human intervention. Its all-terrain mobility and seamless integration with modern defense networks make it fast, flexible, and deadly efficient. Compact yet powerful, Rook is more than a robot. It's the future of battlefield operations, giving troops an edge while reducing risk and expanding the possibilities. The Rotundbot RTG is a revolutionary autonomous robot built to take on the missions too dangerous or complex for humans. With its rugged all-terrain design and advanced AI, it can carry heavy loads, navigate hazardous environments, and perform precision tasks entirely on its own. Its modular system allows it to switch roles instantly, from disaster relief and industrial work to military support and reconnaissance. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, it can assess situations in real time, adapt to unexpected challenges, and act with unmatched speed and accuracy. Fast, versatile, and unstoppable, the Rotundbot RTG isn't just a machine. It's the future of intelligent robotics, redefining how we approach safety, efficiency, and the impossible. Ukraine's Magura 5 naval drone is a game-changing seaborne hunter. A sleek unmanned surface vessel built to strike, scout, and outmaneuver larger warships while keeping crews far from danger, it is lightweight but lethal. The Magura 5 can carry large explosive payloads, has been adapted to launch air-to-air missiles, loiter for long ranges, and operate in coordinated swarms to overwhelm defenses. A small, cheap tool that inflicts outsized damage on high-value naval targets, it was unveiled by Ukrainian intelligence and proven in Black Sea operations. The Magura 5 has helped redefine maritime strike tactics and turned unmanned boats into a strategic equalizer. The Sorsky Raider X is the next evolution in high-speed military helicopters designed to dominate the skies with unmatched speed, agility, and versatility. Built for reconnaissance, attack, and rapid troop deployment, Raider X combines advanced coaxial rotor technology with a sleek, low-observable airframe to deliver extreme maneuverability and stealth. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, targeting systems, and modular weapon capabilities, it can perform precision strikes, support ground forces, and operate in contested environments where traditional helicopters struggle. With its blend of speed, firepower, and survivability, the Raider X represents the future of rotary wing combat, redefining what modern attack helicopters can achieve on the battlefield.